Hi everyone, it's Todd with Mosby Building Arts, and I'm here on site at a project where we're doing a window installation job, and I wanted to talk to you really about the importance of replacement windows and the installation process of those replacement windows. So reasons you may want to replace your windows are many. What really is important is who's going to be installing those windows and what is the installation process going to be like. When you're installing new windows, especially on a house that has siding around it, you want to make sure that the company is going to be removing the existing siding around the window, checking for any damage around the framing that there may be, checking obviously to make sure there's no moisture damage that could be a sign of further problems. And when they're going to be installing the new windows, that they're flashing around the windows to prevent any moisture from coming in. A window is only as good as the installation. You can buy a top quality window, but if it's not installed properly, then it really does no good. It may open and close right, it may look good, but if air is getting in, if water's getting in, then really you're back to square one. So I'm here with David Ablin. He's one of our window installers, and I just wanted to ask David, what are some of the top ways we can ensure that the window is installed properly at someone's home?
Well, there's several factors, but we'll just take a look at this window here and see what we did. Number one thing is after we pull out the window, as we inspect the sill, we make sure that the sill is level, because the number one thing as far as setting your window is making sure that your sill is set level. We also shim them up so that there's a foam gap all the way around the window, and when shimming them up we make sure it's level there too. The other big thing that we do is we flash tape the sill before we set the window in, and this window here has a nailing flange. So we flash tape the corners and make sure that there's no holes, so that if water was ever to penetrate anywhere in here, the water is wicking off the flange and off the tape here. So those are really the two big things, and then the other thing is making sure that when the window goes in, checking make sure it's square and making sure that reveals are even.
So there's a lot of things that go into it. It's not just popping the window in and out. I mean, we want to make sure that this is going to be done properly and in a way that the window's not going to leak or not be energy efficient, anything like that. So David, thanks so much for taking the time out to explain it to us.
Welcome.
That's excellent. So make sure you choose a contractor that's going to do it right the first time. If you're interested in replacing your windows, you can always give Mosby Building Arts a call at 314-909-1800 or go online to our website, callmosby.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
Hi, I'm Mark McClanahan. I'm the president of Mosby Building Arts. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and click the like button below. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section and we'll make sure to get an answer to you. For future videos, just go ahead and subscribe. And if you'd like to have a deeper conversation about your home, go ahead and click the link down there in the description area. We'll make sure to contact you. Thanks again for watching this video.